Myself, Rushali R. Thakkar from M.H. Sabaswati College of Engineering, working as an assistant professor in electronics department. I first of all thank to Dr. Vinay Kulkarni sir for giving us an opportunity to create videos subjected to our environmental awareness, which are related to our subjects and in our own field of engineering. Last video, I had created one case study on embedded system design issues, wherein the different challenges while creating an embedded system were discussed. One among them was excessive heat was one of the main problem. So while designing the challenges, you have to take into account the accurate thermal modeling as well as derating components, which are different for each design and depend on the operating environmental conditions. Today I will be listing you some different ISO standards, ISO norms which are applicable to embedded system. Yes, there are some papers, international journals, which are related to the security of embedded system and which is based on ISO standards 27002. Also, you have rugged embedded system in which you have dealing with the computation of the harsh environments in embedded system. And also it is able to build an environmental design related to the standards of ISO for controlling of embedded radiant heating and the cooling systems, which is well described in the website iso.org. The next slide is showing you the embedded systems are electronic products that contain one or more than microprocessor and software, either programmable or fixed in capability. So embedded systems are nowadays increasingly employed in critical sectors. So you are having critical system, financial infrastructure, information system, etc. So higher interconnectivity between the public networks such as internet and embedded system has become a massive security challenge by which embedded system can be directly attacked. So related to information security standards, you are having ISO IEC 27002, which are basically safeguards to avoid and counteract the security risks related to computer software or personal property. So it is an internationally recognized standard which is cognitively designed around a group of interrelated security controls. This security and the standard is explicitly concerned with the security of all forms of information and equally beneficial for all types of size of organization that handles and can be contingent on the information. So embedded system, so different standards which are related are global standards as well as the derived standards. So here are some of the listings of the standards which are related to the embedded systems. Lastly, I would like to explain you or tell you the benefits of verifying our embedded systems. So first one is that it ensures that our system or equipment are compliant to relevant safety standards and operate correctly in response to its inputs. Secondly, establish an effective safety management to deal with the potential operator errors, environmental changes, and hardware and software failures. Third, reduce safety risk in your industrial environment, including hazards caused by malfunctions of complex system. Avoid liability claims and costly reworks. And lastly, enhance product marketability with certification from a trusted third-party organization. Thank you.